Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Friday, August 7. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. So today we'll be looking at the chart of Bitcoin. This is a 1 hour chart. So over here we can see currently the Bitcoin is within this wave 5 going up, subdivided into another 5 waves here, 1 2 3 4. So with a few more high here, eventually expected to break above this wave 3 right here. So once we break above wave 3, then that should possibly end the 5 waves up, and then ending with 5 and starts to do a pullback. Okay, so the idea is then looking for more upside, but it could be finishing with 5 not too not too long in the future here, right? So we don't like selling Bitcoin obviously, because it is an impulse. So let's take a look, zooming out a little bit to get a better idea what we are looking at here in the Bitcoin. Bitcoin could be potentially in a major move here right now, along with gold basically. So you can see Bitcoin, this is the initial burst to 20,000 back in 2017, right? And then subsequent pullback here. I mean, it is cryptocurrency, what can you expect? When they do pull back, it is going to be also as spectacular as the rally, right? From 20,000 going back to 3,000. So you got this what looks to be like an impulse, right? On the weekly, you get this correction which looks to be over, because it cannot break below this again, because then it will go to below zero unless it stops working. Then most likely it is not. So most likely this is a 5 ways up, this is your correction finish, this looks impulsive as well. So you got a series of 1 2 1, then this is the COVID-19 low 2. So potentially this is starting a major rally. Eventually it can even surpass 20,000 again, given time, right? Given time. But crypto can always do it in a day, almost like, right? So you got this 1 2, and if this is correct, potentially this could be in a early stage of a major bull rally in the Bitcoin. We have already broken above this descending trend line from 2017. We have not retested so far, so I would not discount the possibility one more time, let's say, to sort of retest or to pull back. It is possible, because even though I wouldn't bet on it, but it is possible, right, that it is pulling back, retesting that same descending trend line over here. Okay, so that certainly is a possibility. Now you can see there is a June low here, so we have a rally, and this is a June low. That seems to be a connector of some sort from the low in March. So you get an initial rally finishing here in June, then you got the pullback also finishing in a very shallow correction here in June 22nd. Since then it accelerates to the upside again. So there is a possibility then, if we do finish this 5 waves here, that 5 waves is not really a 5 waves from the March low, okay, but it's a 5 waves from the June low, right? From a June low. So after we end the 5 waves here in the 1 hour time frame, then we could potentially correct this rally from June low. All right, correct in 3 waves before the next leg higher again. Now alternate is going to be ending the whole entire cycle from March low. Okay, so you can call this one, let's say 1 2 3 4 5, something like that, even though it really looks like too big and too strong here to be a wave 5 from the March low. So it seems to be this is best counted as a 1 2, and then this is either in the wave 3 right now, or is another 1 2, like a nest. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. I think in the shorter cycle is not really uh, too enticing to do anything about it at the moment, right? We are about to finish this with 5 here, and basically there is a potential to do a pullback and in the not too distant future. Now of course we don't like selling any, or shorting any Bitcoin, even if it ends the cycle, and we would rather be with this kind of outlook here, we would rather be looking for opportunity if there is any pullback here to be on the long side. All right, so that's what we have here in the Bitcoin. So again, currently looking for a little bit more upside to finish this with 5, and then after that should be ending that with 5 and doing the pullback. All right, so that's what we got, and I'll see you all again next week. Have a nice day to everyone.